alhamdulillahilladzi bini'matihi tatimmus shalihat. Asyhadu an la ilaha illallah wa asyhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluhu wa ba'd. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Aziza Mutahharatul Jannah. My student ID number 20400124028. And I am from English Education Department PPA. And here I want to explain my answer from assessment 9 from Introduction to Linguistics. In this Arab, sentence is recognized a language product which is formed as the result of the relationship between words and phrases. The constitution of sentence is analyzed by a from analytical theoretical sentence which are used most American public school until Grant Young and Whitman. This tool is regarding the relationship between one person in terms as a subject and a predicate. These were firstly introduced by a reformist structural learner Bloom. Is a method of sentence structure analysis that the fight a sentence is the successive conjunction and concepts contain a word which enter into a larger structure within sentence. In other words, immediate and concepts are successive words that form a unit from smallest as largest unit. When sentence analyze a unit consists of placed into a box in which smallest box indicate the smallest constituent. For example, the beautiful girl. In analyzing sentence, the linguistic of TG assert that a sentence consists of two syntactic components, the base component and the transformational component. The base component refers to two things, namely a set of rules, parsed structures rule, the give consist structure, the way verbs used to indicate, to sentence and lexion. A list of words are combined to sentence for lexion. A list of words used to indicate a particular structure. For example, the sentence, the girl is singing a song. Yes, I agree with the transformative Arab sentence are formed from a series of parses and parses are formed from a series of words. The process of converting word into parses and parses into sentence called transformation. In this section, the structure of sentence is described by using the perspective of two FTG Arabs. These Arabs fits the structure of sentence must be analyzed using a parse structure. According to Grant L.B. Yeager E. and Whitman R.L., a parse structure grammar is a series of written rules that break down sentences into their basic structure. Okay, that are my answer from assessment 9 Introduction to Linguistics, and thank you for watching and thank you for attention. See you next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.